7 Simple Secrets to Make Your Computer Run Faster. Reminder, while using these secrets, you are using programs and features that come with the Windows 10 operating system. You are doing this at your own risk. Number 3, run a check disk. Computer storage drives sometimes develop errors which can dramatically slow down your computer. In the Windows operating system, there is a way to have Windows repair these problems. The program is called CHKDSK, which means check disk. To get to check disk is a little tricky. Open Windows Explorer. You will be looking to find your main hard drive, which is almost always labeled C. Look for the C drive on the left-hand side of the screen and right-click it. The C drive will have the Windows logo on the top left-hand corner of the disk drive. A submenu will pop up, and near the bottom, click on the word Properties. Another window will pop up. Click on the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check, then click OK. Depending on your operating system, it may check your disk without restarting the computer. However, other Windows operating systems may require a restart. Before you allow check disk to restart your computer, make sure you have saved all of your data and closed all of your programs first. If your computer restarts to run check disk, it may take quite some time to finish. When finished, your computer will automatically restart.